Am I live? It said I lost connection. If you are on with me live today, drop a little hello or a little heart, just something small that helps me know my comments are working. I am coming to you live from San Antonio, Texas. I'm Shar, your favorite color street stylist. How you doing today? Happy Tuesday. I'm going to apply some lipstick and then we'll begin. I am applying VIP today because I'm feeling like a VIP. VIP is like that perfect kind of like mauve brown mixed together. She's so pretty for every skin tone. That's VIP for y'all. And let's get started, shall we? I am live today to show off the March Color Play subscription box. How many of you are a monthly subscriber to like makeup products or nail products or healthcare products, anything like that? If you are a monthly subscription holder to products, drop a box in the comments below. I want to ask you something. For your when you subscribe monthly to the products that you love, it helps save you money, right? Like usually the perks are that it ships for free, or you get like some type of a discount on the products that you like, right? That's exactly what the Color Street Color Play box is. It is a monthly subscription on the fabulous dry nail polish strips that you love at an amazing price. So our Color Play subscription boxes are just $30 plus tax. So here in Texas, I pay $32 and some change, and my box gets shipped to me for free. There's usually about 4 to 5 full sets in the box, plus a bonus item. All of that fancy stuff for just 30 bucks a month. How amazing is that? I don't know about you, but I love saving money on products that I love. So if you love your nails to look fabulous, this Color Play Color Street box is for you. They are always going to be the trendiest nail sets in these boxes. Each month, our curators make sure that they create nail polish strips that are on trend with the trends that are happening right now. Isn't that amazing? So if y'all are ready to subscribe to Color Play, I'll drop the link in the comments for y'all when I get off. But let's open up our March subscription box together, see what's inside. I already know what's inside, and I am so excited. I have been seeing some Nailfies, and I cannot wait to meet these strips in person. I also know what the bonus item is, and I'm excited to share it with you. And then afterwards, we'll take a sneak peek into the April Color Play box together and see what that theme is. So what's really fun about these Color Play boxes is we always know the theme of the month. And this little graphic here on the outside of the box kind of gives us a clue on the nail strips that'll be inside. So March's theme was Wild West. Ooh, y'all see that sneak peek Nailfie right there? What's also fun is Color Street has been giving us stylists exclusive sneak peeks. So if you want a sneak peek for April, comment sneak peek below. Because I get it. Sometimes it's hard to commit to a box if you don't know what's inside, right? I get that. So comment sneak peek below and I can send you a sneak peek of what's coming in April. But here is our March theme, Wild West. Our little pamphlet is always going to let us know what's in the box. It's also going to let us know our bonus item. It's going to give us descriptions of our nail sets. And it's going to give us some ways to wear them. The way you wear your nail strips is completely up to you. This is just a handy little guide. So Wild West, in this month's box, saddle up with ColorPlay's Wild West box. This box features chic, Western-inspired designs, subtle shimmers, and a chunky glitter that make your manicure the stage for the latest trend. Follow one of our looks or create your own custom design inspired by the Wild West. How fun is that? And the bonus item, it says, add a matching metallic shimmer to your eyelids with Railway, a waterproof silver gel eyeliner. Oh my goodness. Before we meet our strips, let me introduce to you the bonus item this month. Yes, we got a gel eyeliner. I am so excited for this shade. I do apologize. Y'all could probably hear Odin crying in the background. He has been at school, so it's a long day, and he's probably upset that he's not getting something he wants. But so here's the gel eyeliner. I'm really excited for this shade. It almost looks like a kind of metallic silvery shade. And I'm actually going to apply it here on camera with y'all today. Back in like 2016, I used to apply a white eyeliner to my lower waterline right here. And that gives the illusion of your eyes kind of being a little larger. It makes them a little brighter. And so I'm going to actually try that today on camera with y'all. Let's see what that looks like. How gorgeous is that? Oh my goodness. Whew, that color is beautiful. Can y'all see like that metallic kind of silvery white? So gorgeous. So see how it kind of like makes this eye brighter and pop and look a little bit bigger? Gorgeous, right? How would y'all wear this silvery gel eyeliner? Would you apply it to your top lid? Maybe add like a fun little pop of color to the outer top lid? How would you wear it? Let me know in the comments. How would y'all wear that? All right, let's meet our strips this month, okay? Here we go. First up, we have a 4-strip accent pack. It's one sheet of 4-finger strips. I love these little accent packs. I love them because you don't have to open up a whole set. It's a perfect amount just to add a fun little accent nail. This accent pack is called, it says Giddy Up. Oh, I lied. This one is made for walking. This boot-inspired nail design was made for walking as you layer it on top of another color. So this is a clear nail art overlay. And what's neat about these is any shade you put as the base, for example, my green, if I were to wear this over the green would pop through the designs right here. So very pretty. They do look like the side of like the boot design that you would see. Very, very pretty. And we have a little nail file in our box. Each ColorPlay box will come with a nail file and a nail prep pad. So you can do your nails at home. Okay, we have another one sheet of 4-finger strips, and this one is a clear overlay as well. How cute is that? Do I have any equestrian friends here? I know my friend Daisy loves horses. This one's called Giddy Up. It says show off your love for horses with this Giddy Up clear design overlay. How cute is that? Giddy up. So again, this one is a clear design overlay. With the clear design overlays, whatever color you wear as your base color is going to be seen through. So if I were to put this over my green polish, the horses would turn green. All right, next up we have, oh, this one's gorgeous. I can actually see my friend Robin loving this one. This is called Trailblazer. This is a full set, so there are 16 nail strips in this set. A nail design strip like this on my website would be $14. So embrace your inner cowgirl with Trailblazer, an abstract ivory and chocolate brown cow print with a shimmer finish. How gorgeous is Trailblazer? So cute. You know, it'd be really pretty to put one of these clear nail art designs over that kind of ivory color set. So you can have like a boot design or the horse design. How pretty would that be? What do y'all think of that? Would y'all wear a Trailblazer with the cowboy boot design or with the horse design? Put boots in the comments or a horse in the comment for which one you would pair with Trailblazer. All right, our next set is Rodeo Ready. How many of my friends attended the rodeo this year? Or who's still waiting for the rodeo to come to your town? San Antonio's rodeo was last month. Usually starts mid-February and lasts until the end of February. Rodeo Ready. This is another full set right here. It's a glitter set. A glitter set on my website would be $13. So 14 and 13, that's 27. And remember, our color play box is only $30 plus tax. What a great savings, right? Rodeo Ready. Dazzle your nails with this Rodeo Ready chunky pink and gold glitter. Love it. I'm really hoping this one is like a clear glitter. I love me the chunky glitters that are kind of like see-through, because then you could layer the color that you like as a base and then throw that chunky glitter on top. So, so pretty. If y'all are loving that chunky glitter, put some glitter emojis below for me. Our next set, yes, we have another one, is Denim Diva. How beautiful. This one looks like a blue jeans to me. How gorgeous is that? I love it. I have a sunflower nail set, and this denim design would look really cute with some sunflower accent nails. What do y'all think? The Denim Diva. This is another full nail set, 16 strips in here. So this is would be $14 on my website. So for the denim lover, we've got the perfect nail color that goes with it all. Denim Diva, a two-tone blue twill pattern with cream finish. Beautiful. Love it. And we have one last set. This one's so pretty. This one is the exact print of the front of the box. How gorgeous. This one is Desert Loom. Desert Loom is a full set as well. So 16 strips in here. This one would be $14 on my site if you would be able to purchase it on my site. Remember, our Color Play subscription box sets are exclusive to our box, so you cannot buy them on my website. Desert Loom. Explore the wonder of the West with Desert Loom, a neutral ikat pattern with a subtle golden shimmer. So pretty. Y'all see that? See that shimmer right there? I'm trying to catch it in the light for y'all. There it is. So pretty. Beautiful sets this month. Love them. I'm glad I did not miss out on that. I love how they're actually showing to wear Desert Loom with that chunky glitter on with it. That's really pretty. So wear that chunky glitter as an accent nail with Desert Loom. That's pretty. And then our sneak peek that we got at the end of February was actually the blue jean was applied to half of that cow print nail. How cute is that? So definitely a great box. I'm glad I didn't miss out. If you missed out, I'm sorry. My link is going to be in the comments, so y'all won't miss out on April. Because April is going to be great. I'm loving the design of the front of the box for April. So let me introduce y'all to April's box. Daydreaming. How gorgeous is this design? I want like iridescent sets that look like this. I do have a sneak peek of this box. So if y'all want to see a sneak peek of April, remember just comment sneak peek below. And our description for daydreaming is get lost in a daydream of chromatic pastel polishes and glittered iridescent with this pearlescent nail collection. I cannot wait for April. Like this is right up my alley. Perfect for springtime, for Easter celebrations. Fiesta in San Antonio is right around the corner. So this collection is going to be really perfect for that. Mother's Day is coming up. Gorgeous shades for all of your spring festivities and celebrations, right? So remember that link is in the comment to subscribe for April. You are not going to want to miss April's box. I mean, these colors are just gorgeous. Iridescent, pearlescent, perfect for spring, perfect for Easter and Mother's Day and Fiesta. Go ahead, click that link and subscribe, y'all. If you have any questions about color play, I am more than happy to answer those questions for y'all. And until next time, oh my light fell. It knew that I was done. Until next time, y'all. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.